all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day, all in the day. All in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all in the day. I did it all in the day, all
Have a good one.
So hopefully you guys can see me. I'm using my phone right now because I didn't plan on making this video, but I thought that this would be a good video for you guys to see. A lot of you guys asked me questions about my diet, and I believe just going to the grocery store and showing you what I would get in a normal week. And of course I do live with my parents, so they get a decent amount of food as well, but these are the things that I personally get that I will eat by myself, and that I kind of I guess they're the kind of essentials for me more than anything. And this is something that I always pretty much have on hand at the house, or try to have on hand if I have the time to run to the store and grab it. So these foods are definitely essential. These foods are going to be something that helps me keep on weight. As you guys know, I'm trying to bulk back up. I have faster metabolism, so keeping on weight and getting enough fuel is definitely my battle. I know a lot of people are on the opposite end of that, but I'm going to show you guys what I get today. Going to show you just a few different things, and maybe even show you a little bit of cooking after. I'm going to do some stir fry, I believe, with some basmati rice, some veggies, and some chicken. So going to make that up in the wok with some soy sauce. So I will be talking to you guys after that. Going to go shop right now, show you guys what I get, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Just finishing up here, just got the essentials pretty much, and I'll show you guys the price once I check out. So see you guys at the checkout line. So as you guys saw, I pretty much got the essentials, pretty much everything that I could eat for the rest of this week, and just a few things that will help me kind of maintain my weight, along with my serious mass shakes, as well as the food I have already at home. So basically it came out to about $45, and the reason being that it was a little bit more expensive than typically you'd probably see, and probably a little bit more pricey than you might think. It's just because a lot of the stuff I get is organic. So I get organic eggs, as well as organic strawberries and blueberries, and that's just my choice. You guys don't necessarily need to do that. I just personally like that, and I feel a little bit better about my health, and I'm not going to go into that, but it's just something that I personally choose to do. So usually it's just my eggs and my fruits and veggies that I try to keep a little bit more organic. But even the veggies, as you saw, I got some frozen veggies. I'm not too strict on that, but just try to keep a little bit more organic when I can. And personally, I think they taste better. I think the organic tastes better, in my opinion. It's a little bit sweeter. So yeah, so about $45. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you want me to do this again, if I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, go maybe on one of my heavier shopping days when I get a little bit more items, then maybe we'll do that too. So catch up with you guys in a bit.
A palace of gold.